Okay, welcome again, student. Now we'll be discussing on the part 2 from this chapter 15 on probability. Okay, in the last part we have discussed up to the problem number 3. Now we'll be discussing here today with the problem number 4. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is either red card or a king. Okay, now solution for this. The number of red cards, how many are there? There are 13 cards in diamond and 13 cards in hearts. And the number of kings, actually there are 4 kings, but 2 kings they are with red card. Therefore, the other 2 kings which are not red, they are 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Total number of cards with red or king, with red card or king, it is 13 plus 13 plus 2, which is 28, which is also our favorable outcomes. Okay. Total number of cards is 52, which is the possible outcome. Thus, the probability of getting a red card or a king will be the number of favorable outcome divided by number of possible outcome, which is 28 by 52. On cancelling, you will get 7 by 13. Cancel with 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 13s are 52. Okay. Now, the problem that we will be solving here is actually the basic thing that you have to understand is regarding these cards, a deck of cards. How many kings are there? How many queens are there? How many jacks are there? All these things you need to remember as I've discussed with you in the first part of this chapter. Okay, familiarize yourself with this number of cards. And once you understand regarding this deck of cards, then everything will be clear. You will be able to solve or find out the probability of the question being asked to you. Okay. Now the next is neither red card nor a king. You don't need red card and you don't need king. You don't need king, you don't need red card. Red card there are 26. King is 2 without black, that is 24 minus with 2, 24. Okay, neither a king nor red card. You don't need a king and you don't need a red card. This means you need only the black card. Only the black card without king. How many cards are there are black without king? There are 12 in spade, 12 in club, which is 24. Okay, therefore the probability will be 24 by 52, which is 6 by 13. The next is on number 5. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of the card drawn is a king or jack. Okay. Now, what is how many kings are there? How many jacks are there? Each of them is having 4, isn't it? Therefore, the probability favorable outcome will be 4 plus 4, which is 8, and thus the probability will be 8 by 52, which is the total number of cards. Possible outcome is total number of cards with 52. 8 by 52, on cancelling you will get 2 by 13. 4 2s are 8, 4 13s are 52. Now with the second one from here, a non-ace, you don't need ace. How many ace are there total in a deck of cards? 4. If you don't need ace, that means 52 minus 4, it is 48. This will be our favorable outcome. Hence the probability will be, just substitute the value, 48 by 52 will be 12 by 13. And the next is red card. How many red cards are there? 26. Definitely, that is for sure. Therefore, probability will be 26 by 52, which is 1 by 2. Number 4, neither king or queen. You don't need king, you don't need queen. Here kings will be 4, queen will be 4. If you don't need king and queen, that means you have to subtract from 52 minus this 8, which is 44. Hence the probability will be 44 by 52, which is 11 by 13. Number 5, neither red card nor queen. You don't need red card and you don't need queen. If you don't need red card or don't need queen, will be only black card without queen. Okay, only black card without queen mean only 12 multiplied to 24. Easy as that. Therefore, the probability will be 24 by 52, which is again 6 by 13. Number 6, you try to do it by yourself. Is very simple thing, just to find out the probability. Once you understand how much is the favorable outcome and the possible outcome is usually the same thing, which is the total number of cards, which is 52. Okay, now for the time being we'll stop here and we'll continue it again on the next class.